right behind you, Katie.
Oh.
That's okay. We'll catch the next one. How about taking a twirl through the train museum while we wait? Then, when we get on the next ride, we'll know more about the train.
A museum about trains?
Not just about trains. It has lots of other neat things.
Like...
Well, if I remember correctly, there are some old photos from the 1800s showing what life was like back then. And, oh yeah, some interesting things about early inventions. Did you know toilet paper wasn't invented until 1857? And, of course, all the train things.
Okay, but can we ride on the train afterwards?
You betcha. You know, my grandpa, your great-great-grandpa, used to work on a train. Oh, he would sit for hours and tell me wonderful stories about the way life was. Can you imagine what people must have thought when they saw this new invention barreling along the tracks, making a huge racket and belching steam?
I think I would have been pretty scared.
I bet some people were. Must have taken a lot of guts and grit and gumption to live back then.
A lot of what?
Well, a lot of courage and spirit to try new things, to not give up, and sometimes to do things that were just plain brave. See that young lady? Now, she was brave.
Kate Shelley, age 15, 1881. Hey, her name was Kate, too. What'd she do?
It was in 1881, July 6th, that fatal Wednesday came and found us, all unsuspecting of the dangers that threatened. The thunder, heavy and awful, broke above us, and the keen lightning seemed to rip up the dense black veil over and around us. Then came the horrible crash and the fierce hiss of steam. Oh, Mother, they have gone down.
Grandpa, Grandpa!
Come on, you navvies. Let's get this railroad built.
I believe we will get our 2 miles of track laid today.
Mr. Watson, come here. I want you.
Psst. Psst. Over here. Hello. I was hoping a friend would stop by today. My name is James Engelhardt. Can you stay and talk? I'll tell you about my life if you tell me about yours.
Well,
Isn't this place great? Come on, we've still got a lot to see before we catch that train. When the mail was delivered by train, I wonder if it got there any faster than it does today.
trains delivered mail, too? Really?
Write me.
Grandpa, you'll never believe! I can't believe!
That a museum could be so interesting? I know. Amazing, isn't it? Well, what do you want to see?